Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aquarius and Moon Venus rising from 25th of August till the 31st of August. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. Let's start, Aquarius. The mutual energy for the connection right now at this present moment is, let's see. We have the Two of Wands, the Knight of Wands, and the Emperor. Okay, it's like a tug of war going on in the situation energetically, that where one of you is very mature, kind of grounded. They have gone through so much in their life. They know how to handle their things and handle difficult situations in life. The other person is kind of on and off, in and out, very impulsive, very passionate. There is maybe a huge age difference in the situation between you guys, and or definitely a maturity difference or understanding difference. So both of you are kind of waiting for the situation to come on this to maybe come on the same page, or waiting for the other person to grow up, or the other person to loosen up a little bit. This is a typical story of one person is very fun loving, very much in this energy of let's do this, let's do that. Life is so beautiful and life is so wonderful, and taking risk all the time, and just trying to live their life at its best. And the other person is kind of, I know how to handle life. Life is not easy. Life is not that much of just having fun only. We have to be serious at some point of time. It's a complete mismatch where opposite attracts, but they are not able to sustain the opposite behaviors and opposite nature of the connection. But both of you are not, like, even if you guys have given up on the situation physically, energetically both of you are still connected to each other, and somehow waiting for the situation to work out. I don't know how this works out, but one of you is very serious and very much kind of grounded, like the inner child is kind of sleeping. The other person is like too much kiddish, or too much in the energy of I want to live my life, I don't want to spoil my life in this seriousness. And both of you are waiting for a solution. It's a complete mismatch, and the energy of opposite attracts is just working for some time, and then it's fading away, then it's completely going like poof, not working out. Yeah, Osho. Cool. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Aquarius, at this present moment are. Okay. We have the Three of Swords in reverse. Okay, this is someone who is feeling like even if it is very painful for them, they are somehow able to manage the pain. They are somehow trying to heal themselves and move on. Still, they are in very much pain, but they are somehow not that much in pain as they used to be, and they are trying to figure it out. Let's clarify the Three of Swords in reverse. Swords. I have to learn the words again. I mean, alphabets. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Tower, and the Devil. Wow. This person is feeling like the obsession is gone, the connection is gone, the way they used to feel for the connection, for the situation, is no longer there. There's lack of equal give and take of energy, and even if they try their best to make this situation work out, it's never going to work out. And no matter how painful it is, they're trying their best to move on from this pain, get out of this situation, because the obsession, the feeling that I cannot live without Aquarius is kind of fading away, and they're able to get healed. Now they're experiencing this difference on a major level, on a deeper level, and they feel deeply that this is not going to work out ever, according to them. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation? Maybe the distance between you guys is making this person realize that you guys are two different people, totally two different people. Even if there's attraction or there was attraction, you guys were not meant to be, or something like that. They're realizing it big time now. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Queen of Pentacles. From your side, you feel like you should remain practical, grounded, and at the same time compassionate regarding the situation. So you are the one who is like, I have gone through so much in my life. I know what to do and how to handle things. And the other person is like, they were just enjoying life, and now they are understanding that you guys are a complete mismatch. Wow. Let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles. We have the High Priestess, the Page of Wands, the Death and Rebirth. You're just quietly doing your own thing. You know, you are done with this on and off, in and out. Let's be friends, and let's be more than friends, and let's be friends again. This was a game, okay? This was a game where both of you were trying too hard to make things work out, and you guys failed terribly. Yeah. And now all you are trying to do is just do your own thing, keep your mouth shut, keep your energies low, and keep going. Maybe growing spiritually, maybe working on your spiritual aspects. And you're quite satisfied with that. Okay, cool. You're not giving me too much to read today, but to the point energies, like, okay, Anjali, let me slap the truth on your face. Thank you. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Knight of Pentacles. Their intention here is to do absolutely nothing. In fact, they want to slowly but surely create some kind of stable base for themselves, a grounded kind of energy for themselves. Okay, let's clarify to get the clear picture. Let's see. Three of Cups, the Lovers, and the Four of Cups. Yeah, they are just kind of trying to keep themselves wherever they are right now, because whatever options they have, whatever connections they have, whatever friendships they have, or maybe romantic options they have, are not making them happy at all. They are trying to find something as exciting or as loving as you guys had at one point of time. So this person don't want any kind of disappointment in their love and relationship area as of now. So they just want to keep themselves in their lane and do nothing about this situation or this area of their life as of now. They're like, okay, let me focus on being stable, let me focus on being a little mature, and then maybe go in this direction. Right now they are not satisfied with the options, with the situations or people or things around them in this direction, in this area. So they're like, okay, let me just chill, okay, and take the action when I think I am ready. Wow. Basically they are not satisfied with whatever they have right now, and they don't want to make the wrong choice again, or get pissed off again, get sorry, I was about to sneeze. Get this energy of being upset again. So that's why they're just chilling and maybe watching Netflix. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? World card. You just want to finish the unfinished business and move ahead. Okay. What unfinished business? It's kind of done, Aquarius. I don't know. Let me clarify this world card. We have the Ten of Swords, the Three of Swords, and the King of Pentacles. Okay, you just want to get out of this pain, this ending, this separation, this breakup, and being like, okay, let's be practical, let's work on myself, my money, my job, my career, and most importantly, my stability for the rest of my life. So you just want to get this done. It's already done. You just want to get over this pain and heal properly, and just being in a very stable, mature, and grounded kind of energy, maybe focused on money, job, career, finances, and your overall stability in your life. Just want this shit to be done forever and never look back. Energetically also, physically it's gone maybe long time ago. Okay, let's see what's coming forward towards you. What could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 31st of August? Aquarius. Ace of Wands. Okay, a brand new beginning, a brand new chapter opening up for you, but this one is also based on passion. It's like a very passionate brand new beginning here. Okay, let's see. Maybe it's something that you're very interested in. Maybe not. It's not a person. It might be a job opportunity, career opportunity, or something really exciting coming towards you. Let's see. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands. We have the Five of Swords, the Empress, the King of Cups. Hmm. It's like you're thinking about something, thinking and thinking and thinking, and boom, one day you are going to wake up and you're going to feel like, okay, I have to win the world, and I have to certainly do something that I really, really, really love from my heart and soul, with all of my heart and soul, and that's going to make you go in a very exciting direction of your life. For some of you, for most of you, it's related to your work, job, career, money, finances. For some of you, it's related to your physique and your looks. Weight loss, maybe your weight gainer, or like looking totally different. And for only few of you, you are going to head towards a brand new connection, romantic connection. That's going to make you feel like, okay, that's it. I want to go ahead in this direction. It is making me feel very excited. It is making me feel like this can have the potential, and this can become something really meaningful and beautiful by the end of this chapter. Again, it's like you coming out of your head and heading towards a brand new beginning that seems to be very exciting for you guys. And then moving forward, I don't see any obstacle apart from your mind interfering from time to time. Otherwise, you're quite optimistic, quite positive, quite hopeful that this can be this can be the right path for me, maybe for the rest of my life. This is going to make you feel very excited, giving you this hope that the future is very bright, and making you feel like this can be something very meaningful and mature and grounded. Okay, nice. Nice. This brand new beginning is actually making you feel very excited and good about yourself, your life. For you, the guidance here is the King of Pentacles in reverse. Don't be so hard on yourself. In on this verge of trying to be very mature, very sorted, very grounded, you have every right to make mistakes, Aquarius. You are not God. Nobody is God, and everybody is God actually. So that's a spiritual level stuff. We are not going to talk about it, but don't be so hard on yourself to pretend like, yeah, everything is sorted, I got everything together, I got all of my shit together. Even if you don't, you are a human. And even if you're 100 years old, doesn't matter. We are always learning. Until the end of this time, we are going to learn only, until the end of this life, this whole human race or something. Yeah, so don't be so hard on yourself, and don't try to be mature all the time, grounded all the time, sorted all the time, trying to get your shit together all the time. Be like a kid. Try to live your life spontaneously sometimes, without any plans, without any overthinking, without this energy of wanting to control each and everything in your life. You're not a robot. Come on, be a human. Live, love, cry, do everything, right? Let's see the final message for you guys from the angel. Romance Angel Oracle cards. I always keep on forgetting the name of these beautiful cards. Let's see. We have the playfulness. See, my God, this is so beautifully aligned today. This reading of yours and this card. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. This is it. This is like a confirmation that I was doing the right reading. You have to bring your inner child out in order to, recapture a beautiful connection in your life. Recapture your, what the hell? Recapture romance in your life again. Yeah. Okay, so this is it for today. I hope you guys found it helpful. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.